Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. For this first video of 2025, let's make this beautiful beret hat. The pattern is simple and easy and we can finish this in a very short time. So let's begin with the tutorial. So I'm using the yarn Olivia again. The tag is gone, but I will link the product in the description below. We will make a magic ring and start with chain 2 here, and we will count this as 1 double crochet. Then on the ring we will make total of 12 double crocheted including the chain 2. To make a double crochet, yarn over, pull the yarn from this first 2 chains, then yarn over and pull from this last 2 chains. This is your 1 double crochet, and count total 12 of them including the chain 2. After the 12th double crochet, just pull the small yarn to close the circle and make a slip stitch on the last one. This is our first row. For the starting of each row, always start with chain 2, which will be count as 1 double crochet. Then for this row we will make 2 double crocheted on each of the 12 chains. You can mark your first chain to know where to finish the row, or you can simply count till 24 to finish. Complete the whole row, and at the end of the row make a slip stitch on the last one to finish. This is our second row. Third row, after the 2 chain, make 1 more in the same chain. Then only 1 on the next one, again 2 on the next, and then 1, and we will follow this 2-1-2 pattern in all the chains. We'll finish the whole row and I will meet you guys over here. At last make a slip stitch and end the row, and this is how the third row looks like. The fourth row will be very much similar to the third row. We will start with the chain 2, then on the next one we will make 2 double crochet. So this pattern will be 1-2-1. So basically you have to focus on each row to know the proper pattern, and this will give you a perfect circle. Fifth row will be start with 2 double crochet, then next 3 chains will be 1 double crochet on each. Then again start with 2 double crochet and follow the pattern. So continue with the same sequence and I will meet you guys towards the end. The ending with a slip stitch for all the rows, and the 5th row is now completed. Pattern for 6th row will be chain 2 at the starting. So chain 2 in the beginning is constant, then 1 more double crochet, then 2 in the same, again 2 double crochet in a row, follow this till the end. From here I'm going little faster. For the 7th row we will start with 2 double crochet, then 5 single double crochet and follow the rest. 8th row will be 3 single, then 2 in the same, again 3 will be single. Similarly 9th row will start with a double crochet in the same chain, then 7 double crochet and repeat. 10th and the final row of today is starting with 4 double crochet in a row, then a double crochet INC, that means 2 double crochet in a single chain, and again 4 double crochet in a row and repeat. So I only did till this row. You can measure it over your head or any way. If you need a guidance to make a few more rows, I have added 5 more rows in the description. In my measuring tape, the circle is around 23 centimeters wide. From here, I'll start making the bottom part. So, make 1 round of double crochet, no increase of chains, just make 1 double crochet on each of the chains you have created. And by the end of the row, you will notice the sides are started to come up like this. There will be a slight bend on the sides. From here, we will decrease some chains. So, chain 2 will be constant, and from here we will count 7 double crochet including the chain 2. So, this will be the 2nd double crochet, then the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. After this, skip this 8 chain. Not going to make anything in here, and then count freshly from the next one again. Continue till the end and a slip stitch in the end. For the 2nd row of decreasing pattern, we will skip the 7th row instead of the 8th one and continue till the end. I continued for 4 rows here. That's how I made total 4 decreasing row. If you want to add or eliminate 1 or 2 row, that's completely up to you. The end, just trim up all the short yarns that are hanging and secure. This is how it looks. It's super stylish and comfy for the winters. I hope this tutorial helped. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.